Viewers, remember 26 innocent tourists were slaughtered by Pakistani terrorists in Pahalgam, and they were just visiting the valley to enjoy the beauty of the paradise on earth, that is Kashmir. But they instead met their unfortunate end as Pakistani brutes identified them by their religion and killed them mercilessly. The entire nation continues to seethe with anger and is united in one demand that Pakistan should be made to pay for its sins. But some of the senior leaders of the Congress party still have a soft corner for the neighboring nation, even though there is ample evidence of how Pakistan uses terror as a state policy and spills blood of innocents. In fact, the Pakistan Defence Minister has gone on record and admitted that Pakistan has been doing the dirty work of backing and financing terror for the West. Despite this, hearts of the Congress leaders still bleed for Pakistan as attempts continue to whitewash Pak terror truth. In fact, in the latest, the Congress's Vijay Wadatiwar doubted the version of many of the survivors who revealed how the terrorists had asked for their religion, in particular, before shooting down Hindus. Wadatiwar says, how will terrorists have the time to do that? That's a question that the Congress leader asked. For Saifuddin Soz of the Congress party, Pakistan's word should be accepted as the gospel truth. If they say they are not involved, India should accept it as the absolute truth. In fact, the Jammu and Kashmir Congress President Tariq Kara also wants India to sit with Pakistan and sort out the issues. This comes after the Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah had also opposed going to war with Pakistan, and Manishankar Iyer blamed unresolved partition issues for what happened in Pahalgam. In fact, Congress is not alone in this. Its ally, the Samajwadi Party, has also sought to sanitize Hindu carnage truth, doubting the version of the survivors that terrorists asked people their religion and then shot Hindus dead. In fact, the SP leader Abu Azmi agreed with the Congress leader Vijay Wadatiwar's claim, saying that there are doubts that arise in mind as to how the terrorists had so much time in hand that they asked for the religion first and then killed the people.
कांग्रेस के वरिष्ठ नेता हैं विजय वडेट्टीवार, वो कह रहे हैं जो आतंकवादी हमलावर जिस प्रकार से धर्म पूछ के उनको मारा गया, क्या आतंकवादी के पास उनके पास इतना समय था? क्या उनके आप बयान से सहमत हैं? जिस प्रकार से
वो नहीं कह रहे, बहुत सारे लोग कह रहे हैं, बहुत सारे लोग कह रहे हैं। आदमी के दिलो दिमाग में बात आती है कि जब आतंकवादी आया बंदूक लेकर के और उस वक्त हाथ में बंदूक है, मारना है और सिक्योरिटी आ सकती है, उनको खुद मार सकती है, पकड़ सकते हैं, लेकिन इनके पास इतना समय था कि आराम से एक आदमी को वो जो है पूछ रहे हैं, कपड़ा उतार के चेक कर रहे हैं और फिर मार रहे हैं। तो ये लोग कहते हैं भाई ऐसा कैसे हो गया?
Now, it doesn't stop here, viewers. The Sabut mindset still continues to persist, with the Congress leader Digvijay Singh also raising questions on the presence of the CRPF personnel. Taking to social media platform X, he asked, is it true that the CRPF personnel were removed from the attack site, and on whose instruction was it done? The reality, however, is completely different. Times Now has accessed a video which shows that the CRPF was among the first to reach the site. The Congress has decided to hide behind its templated response that views expressed by the party leaders are personal, but the party is yet to take any action against them. The Congress party, in fact, also took a veiled dig at the Prime Minister, hurling Gayab Jayab at him. The BJP fired back at the Congress with its own poster and dubbed the Congress leaders Pakistan's PR agents.
ये बात सही है, कुछ यहाँ वहाँ कुछ कांग्रेस नेता बोल रहे हैं, ये उनकी निजी राय है, ये कांग्रेस पार्टी की राय नहीं है। मैं बिल्कुल स्पष्ट कर देना चाहता हूं कि किसी ने इन नेताओं को अधिकार नहीं दिया है कि वो बोलें। यहाँ वहाँ लोग बोलते रहते हैं, पर ये इनको बोलना नहीं चाहिए।
क्या राहुल जी और खरगे साहब, आपका अपनी पार्टी पर कोई कंट्रोल नहीं है क्या? या आपने एक प्रोफार्मा कह दिया कि देश को एक होना चाहिए और बाकी लोगों को छूट दे दी गई है कि जो चाहे बोलते रहो? ये सारे वक्तव्य पाकिस्तान में इसका पूरा दुरुपयोग हो रहा है, मीडिया कैंपेन हो रहा है। तो क्या आपके पार्टी के नेता जिस समय देश को एक स्वर में बोलना चाहिए, तो जानबूझकर देश को पाकिस्तान की नजरों में और बदनाम करने के लिए बैठे हुए हैं?